Pick your sticker correctly so that it looks good at the end. The key is time. Take your time, go slow, make sure you're paying attention to details, and use a thumbtack. If you're gonna do this professionally, you're gonna have like a really nice hand picker. In this regard, we're just gonna use a little thumbtack to get this thing going. At the end, once your sticker's complete, we're gonna end up, before you stick it anywhere, we're gonna put a top layer on. And what this does is it adheres to the sticker itself, so that when you wanna put it on something, you're gonna peel it away from the back, and that sticker itself will come away from the backing, and you'll be able to stick it where you want to. To get started, I'm gonna pick off the outer layer. Go slow, try not to bend this. You're gonna use your thumbtack to just pick up an edge here. And the key is it's cut. Your sticker's cut, but you have to make sure that it comes off at the right time. So I'm gonna peel this around, and I'm just gonna watch the edges to make sure that everything comes off when it wants to. So I want this 2022 to come off, so it does. I'm peeling from easy to hard, so I wanna get the most off first without having to worry about all the details. The details will come second. I'm gonna use this picker to pull off that other piece. And I'm actually even gonna hold this down. This is gonna go in, I'm gonna pull that off. This line actually was attached to go inside of the circle, but I wanted to remove it. So I just pushed down with my thumbtack to pull that off right now. All right, that gets my outline. I'm gonna take the sticky tape that I've removed and take it off there. And then from there, now I can work on the inside and I can work on the numbers and what have you. There's multiple options here. You can remove the numbers and leave the outer sections. On this side, I removed the outside and I left the numbers. I think for this time, I'm gonna remove the numbers and the letters themselves. This D has a really small inner line that if you want to look like a D, you've got to save that inner line. You know what? Just doing that, I think it's going to be easier to pick that inner line. So I'm going to remove it and take it off and make it look like that again. If you notice, I'm using my thumbtack to kind of hold everything down because it has a chance to get pulled off. I'm kind of keeping this on the number and the thing that I want. Pick out the internals. And so forth. That's the key thing. You just go nice and slow. Each one of these is it's pretty dang intricate. Your number will be different, but pay attention. These lines will come off, and so you really want to make sure you're using that thumbtack to hold down all those parts so they stay in. If you want a nice sticker, it's all about that patience and making sure that you're doing it right and you're doing it slow. There's your sticker. You could even see that I messed up a little bit right here. I took a chunk out there. I think it looks pretty good still though. Take some detail-oriented focus. So take the time to do it right. You don't get another chance with this one.